We can revise the quarterly portion one words, okay? Page number 7 in past and present book, lesson number 1's one words. This century marked the end of the medieval period in Europe, 16th. Number 2, the Romans conquered this place in the 1st century BCE, Palestine. We get to know about the life of Jesus from 4 short books called the Gospels. This is the most famous sermon delivered by Jesus Christ, Sermon on the Mount. Jesus was crucified in Golgotha. Right, true or false? Jews were happy to worship the Roman emperors as gods. False. Jesus spread his message through his 12 apostles. True. Jesus asked people to have faith in God. True. Herod crucified Jesus. False. Match the columns. Herod tortured the Jews. Parables. Message of Jesus Christ. Mary and Joseph, parents of Jesus Christ. Saint Peter, a disciple of Jesus Christ. You turn to the page number 15. Fill in the blanks. The Emperor Constantine granted special privileges to Christians. Feudalism was a system of granting land on condition of service. Constantinople was the capital of the Eastern Roman Empire. Crusades were the holy wars that were fought between the Christians and the Turks. Monasteries served as centers of religious and secular learning. Then the third lesson in past and present. Take page number 22. Write true or false. Prophet Muhammad was born in 570 BCE. False. Prophet Muhammad discouraged idol worship. True. Prophet Muhammad left for Mecca in 622 Common Era. False. The word Caliph means governor. False. The Abbasids were overthrown by the Umayyads. False. The Turks captured Baghdad in 1258. False. Firdausi wrote the Shahnama. True. You turn the fourth lesson, page number 31. Tick the correct answers. Muhammad bin Qasim captured Sindh in 712. The Hindu Shahi ruler Jaipal and Anandpal were defeated by Muhammad of Ghazni. He wrote Kitabul Hind al-Biruni. Muhammad Ghori defeated this ruler in the second battle of Tarain Prithviraj Chauhan. This became the power center of the Sultanate Delhi. Right, true or false? The Indian rulers did not resent the religious activities of the Arabs. True. Muhammad of Ghazni wanted to establish an empire in India. False. Muhammad Ghori won the first battle of Tarain. False. Jayachandra was the ruler of Kannauj. True. The Turkish invasion succeeded because there was no political unity among rulers. True. Then you can move to the fifth lesson in past and present. Take page number 45. Fill in the blanks. The period from 1206 to 1526 is the period of the Delhi Sultanate. Qutbuddin Aibak was the first ruler of the slave dynasty. Malik Kafur was the most trusted general of Alauddin Khalji. Muhammad bin Tughlaq introduced a token currency in 1329. Firoz Shah Tughlaq founded the towns of Janpur and Firozpur. In 1398, Timur invaded India. Then 7. Kisar Khan Sayyid was the founder of the Sayyid dynasty. Sikandar Lodi made Agra his capital. Then match each the statement to the Sultan. Shift to the new capital. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Let me join Timur. Kisar Khan Sayyid. Razia will be my successor. Iltutmish. I will appoint loyal Afghan nobles. Baglul Lodi. Nobles should perform Sichta and Zamimbos in my court. Balben. I will make Iqta's hereditary. Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Then you can see the civics also from past and present book. You take page number 116. Fill in the blanks. The Constitution is the fundamental law of the country. The preamble tells us about the source of our constitution. Secular means that there will be no discrimination on the basis of religion. Social justice means that there should be no discrimination on the basis of caste, race, gender, or religion. We have single citizenship in India. Then, right, true or false? There were no women members in the Constituent Assembly. False. The preamble is the introduction to our constitution. True. A government chosen by the people is called a democracy. True. Political justice means reducing the gap between the rich and the poor. False. India has a written constitution. True. Dear children, now we can move to the Around the World book. Lesson number 1, take page number 8. Fill in the blanks. The surveyed trees are shown in black. The scale of a map is the ratio between the map distance and the ground distance. In the statement, 5 centimeter is to 1000 kilometer. 5 centimeter is the map distance. A linear scale, the subdivisions of a primary division are called secondary divisions. The key on a map explains the meanings of conventional signs and symbols. Then you turn the page number 17 in past and present book. Tick the correct answers. Which of these gases is found in the lower layers of the atmosphere? Oxygen. What is the lower part of the thermosphere called? Ionosphere. Which of these is the greenhouse gas? Carbon dioxide. Which of these activities do not produce greenhouse gases? Afforestation. Which of these gases is responsible for the depletion of the ozone layer? Chlorofluorocarbons. Right, true or false? The composition of air in the atmosphere is uniform. False. Helium is found in the exosphere because it is a light gas. True. Global warming is caused due to greenhouse gases. True. Increase in deforestation is a way to control global warming. False. Maximum ozone depletion occurs over the Antarctic region. True. Then we can move to the third lesson, dear children. Take page number 19. Tick the correct answers. Which of these is effective in heating the atmosphere? Terrestrial radiation. How many low pressure belts are there on the Earth's surface? 2. The Harmattan wind blows over the northwest part of Africa. Which of these is not a form of condensation? Drizzle. Does rainfall occurs in the equatorial region? Conventional. Be right, true or false? The torrid zone receive minimum insulation. False. The atmospheric pressure is the highest in the mountains. False. The planetary winds blow in the particular direction throughout the year. True. The dust particles in the air help in condensation. True. The orographic rainfall is common in the belt of the water lies. False. Fill in the blanks. The frigid zone lies between the Arctic Circle and the Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere. The atmospheric pressure is measured in millibar. The sea breeze is a cooler wind. The cirrus clouds have hair appearance. The ice pellets that fall with rain are called snowfall. Dear children, practice these one words only. From this only you will get the answer, question answers. Okay, thank you children. God bless you all.